Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 11, How to Create and Edit Content with WordPress Classic Editor. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about a powerful WordPress plugin, WordPress Classic Editor. We are going to explore step-by-step how to create and edit content using this awesome plugin. So let's get started. So here we are again, logged into our WordPress dashboard. Let's move to the Post option on the left side. Click on it. Here you can see all of your posts. Navigate on the one you want to edit, and below the editing options appeared. You can edit, trash, or view. Click on this Edit. It's loading your post for editing. It's our post, and on the right, you can see options to insert, tags, categories, permalink, etc. Click on it. You can directly make changes from here. Back to All Posts. Now let's go to Plugins, and from its sub-options, choose this Add New. From here, we can install plugins. Search for the Classic Editor, and here it shows the respective plugin by WordPress contributors and showing 5 million plus active installations. We will install it with this Install button here, and active this plugin by clicking here, so it's activated. Now back to Posts. Click on the Edit button below. So here we have our article for editing. You can notice the changed layout. There's no block option now. This Classic Editor is simple and easy to use. Go to this Add New. Write your new post title and post content. You can edit the content like this, right from this menu bar here. Bold, italics, and you can insert bullet points also from this option here. Insert multiple bullet points like this, or you can give them numbers. Select them and click on this Numbered Points button. Change the orientation to center, left, right, from here only. Now to categorize this particular post. Go to the Categories option on the right and click on this Add New Category option. Insert your category name in this text box and click on this Add New Category button. So it's added, and you can select it from here only. After setting everything, publish this post from the Publish button. Here on top, it's showing your post is published. View it by clicking on this View Post option. So here it is, your post successfully published with all the formatting you've done. It will look something like this. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to have a complete, detailed, and well-explained overview of the WordPress dashboard. See you in the next video tutorial.